To set up CyberScout covered services. Start by understanding what CyberScout is. A comprehensive identity theft protection service that helps individuals and businesses safeguard their personal and financial information. First, enroll in the CyberScout program by visiting the official website or contacting the customer service department of your financial institution or employer, as the service is often offered through partnerships with banks, credit unions, and other organizations. Once enrolled, create an account by providing the required personal and contact information, and set up a username and password for secure access to the CyberScout portal. Next, activate the credit monitoring feature, which alerts you to any changes or suspicious activity on your credit reports. This is a crucial step in preventing identity theft and financial fraud. Then, take advantage of the dark web monitoring feature, which scans the dark web for any instances of your personal information being bought, sold, or traded. This proactive approach helps identify potential threats before they cause harm. Additionally, utilize the password manager tool to generate and store unique, complex passwords for all your online accounts, reducing the risk of password-related breaches. It is also essential to set up alerts and notifications to stay informed about any potential security incidents or suspicious activities related to your accounts. Finally, review and update your account information regularly to ensure your protection is up to date and effective. By following these steps and utilizing the features and tools provided by CyberScout, you can significantly reduce the risk of identity theft and financial fraud, and enjoy greater peace of mind in today's digital world.